Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that will blow your mind. A machine so futuristic it doesn't look like an RV, doesn't look like a bus, and doesn't even look like a truck. This is the BYD 2026 double-decker motorhome, a creation that fuses BYD's electric superpower with the luxury of a five-star hotel and the futuristic vibe of a spaceship. With solar wings, AI-driven interiors, and even a retractable garage, this is not just a motorhome. It's a palace on wheels, and once you step inside, you'll understand why people are calling it the most insane RV of 2026. From the outside, the BYD RV doesn't look like any traditional motorhome. It's sleek, aerodynamic, and massive. The paint is a liquid silver finish that shifts shades under sunlight, giving it a spaceship-like aura. The double-decker body stretches over 65 feet, balanced on 8 oversized wheels wrapped in all-terrain rubber. Every line is sculpted to slice through the air, making this giant surprisingly efficient. At night, the RV comes alive. LED tracers run along the entire frame, glowing like a futuristic city on wheels. The roof panels expand outward like wings, doubling as solar arrays that power everything inside. And forget old-fashioned keys. The entry uses biometric scanning with facial recognition. One look at the door and it slides open with a hydraulic whisper. Step inside, and you're not walking into an RV. You're walking into a luxury hotel lobby. The floor, heated volcanic stone tiles. The walls, smart glass that can shift from transparent to opaque instantly. The lighting, crystal ambient strips that mimic sunrise, sunset, or even starlight. The living area features posture-adaptive couches that mold to your body. Hidden speakers pump out a 3D soundscape, while a 100-inch OLED screen drops silently from the ceiling. Move forward, and you'll find a futuristic kitchen that rivals professional restaurants. Touch-controlled induction cooktops, dual smart ovens, voice-activated coffee systems, and even a robotic arm that handles dishwashing. Behind a curved panel, a holographic dining table that can transform into a Paris skyline dinner or a Starfield supper. On the lower deck sits the master suite, and it's ridiculous. The bed is king-sized with smart foam that auto-adjusts firmness as you sleep. Above you, the ceiling transforms into a live starlight projector, pulling real-time constellations from NASA's feed. Surrounding you are 360 degrees panoramic smart windows that can turn into blackout walls with a voice command. The inside bathroom, a marble spa with rainfall showers, gold fixtures, and mirrors that double as digital screens displaying weather, stocks, or even your heart rate. Take the spiral glass staircase or the hydraulic elevator to the second floor. Here, the real magic happens. The Sky Lounge is fully glass-walled, with zero-gravity recliners that let you sink in while watching a cinema-grade laser projector beam across a 200-inch curved wall. At the rear, a retractable jacuzzi rises directly from the deck, surrounded by heated glass barriers. You're literally soaking in hot water while parked on a mountain cliff, with drones buzzing around to secure your privacy. There's also a private office setup with holographic displays, satellite 6G internet, and VR conferencing. Basically, you can run a global business from the middle of the desert. Now let's talk about performance, because this is BYD, the electric giant of China. Underneath, the RV is powered by a dual-motor hydrogen-electric hybrid system, producing over 1,400 horsepower. Range, an unbelievable 1,000 miles before needing a recharge or refill. Self-parking is built in, aided by 360 degrees drone surveillance. Yes, drones launch automatically from the roof to map the environment and guide the RV into place. And for mobility, the rear chassis hides a hydraulic fold-out garage. With one button, the floor lowers and reveals a BYD custom electric supercar, charged entirely from the RV's solar roof. This BYD double-decker is not just transport. It's a moving smart city. The AI system inside remembers your preferences. It sets your room temperature, lights, and even cooks your favorite meal before you ask. Every corner of the motorhome is voice-activated. Every surface doubles as a touchscreen. And security? Bulletproof glass, panic mode that blacks out all windows instantly, and facial recognition locks that make this fortress nearly impossible to breach. So what's the price for BYD's rolling spaceship? The estimated tag, $11.50 to $12 million, depending on custom features. But remember, you're not buying a vehicle. You're buying a 5-star hotel, a private jet cabin, a luxury penthouse, and a spaceship, all in one. So there it is, the BYD 2026 double-decker motorhome. A machine that blurs the line between science fiction and reality, redefining what it means to live, travel, and explore in luxury. What do you think? Would you rather live in this BYD spaceship on wheels, or spend the same money on a mansion, yacht, or private jet? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if your jaw dropped at least once, smash that like button and subscribe for more insane futuristic machines that make reality feel like science fiction.